Topic 4. Why use the term additive manufacturing? So far, we are referring AM is a process which combines material layer by layer to form the physical model. There are many other terms which are in use for this technology, and now we will be discussing about these terms and the benefits of this technology for product development. The other terms include automated fabrication or autofab, freeform fabrication or solid freeform fabrication, additive manufacturing or layer based manufacturing, rapid prototyping, and stereolithography or 3D printing. Automated fabrication. Marshall Burns had popularized the term autofab in his textbook titled Automated Fabrication Improving Productivity in Manufacturing, which was written in early 1990s. Majorly, this book explains about efficient use of computers and microcontrollers to simplify manual tasks. Since this book was published in early 1990s, many key AM technologies have been omitted as these have evolved after this book was published. The second one is freeform fabrication or solid freeform fabrication. The term refers to the technology where complexity is offered for free. This technology enables fabrication irrespective of geometrical complexity of a model. For example, if there are two cubes, where first one is of a simple cube and the second one is of same size with complex internal features, but both the cubes can be printed with almost same efforts. Next one is additive manufacturing or layer based manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is an international standard term referred to this technology by ASTM F42 committee. This explains the manufacturing of a model by addition of layers instead of conventional subtractive manufacturing. With slight variation, the term additive fabrication is popularized by Terry Holer, who is a well known for his annual industry reports on this technology. Rapid prototyping. Making of prototype was a tedious, expensive, and time-taking process for product developers and manufacturers. This process helped to produce prototypes very easily at low cost with minimal time. Hence, this technology is termed as rapid prototyping. Stereolithography or 3D printing. These both terms have evolved from the words lithography and printing. By adding one more dimension to these terms, they are formed. The term 3D printing was introduced by researchers at MIT and stereolithography was introduced by 3D Systems. Since lithography and printing are commonly known to all of them, stereolithography or 3D printing terms became more popular. The important thing to be noted is that all the terms explained above are interchangeable, where AM is most commonly utilized by the experts or standard bodies and 3D printing is utilized by common people.